Hello friend, this is Umang Sharma. In this video, I am going to explain about my use case experiment number 10, that is my deployment diagram. So deployment diagram is my part of implementation diagram category. So I will tell you what is the aim of this experiment. Aim of this experiment to draw a deployment diagram for my given e-commerce application. So deployment, I will tell you what is the some description about my deployment. Deployment diagram and the another model in the implementation diagram category. And the deployment diagram model is used to implement the hardware system and the association between the hardware system and the component of the deployment diagram to show the location of their deployment. So this is the way to represent a component diagram. Component diagram represents the software entity in the system, while the node is used to represent the hardware component of the system. An association is my solid line between two nodes. So this is the my scenario of the application for my component diagram. Here I am using one, two, three, four. Here I am using four node for my telling about the relation between my hardware system. So this is the scenario of the application deployment diagram used to virtually topology of the physical component of the system where the software component are deployed. So deployment diagram used to deploy the static deployment view of the system. Deployment diagram consists of node, their relation, and the deployment itself. Describe the purpose of the diagram. Deployment are they used to describe the hardware component where software component are deployed. Component diagram and deployment diagram are closely related. Component diagram used to describe the components. So this is my node. Here I am using application server. Application services need to connect with my database server, bank server, and my client server. So that's all for this experiment. I hope you understand. Thank you.